company is a specialized service provider in the field of lithium-ion battery technology. Our core business revolves around testing and analyzing every aspect of battery systems for both mobile and stationary applications, from complete EV battery housings to the individual layers of battery cells. A significant part of our work focuses on measuring deformations in a battery housing, for example after a crash test. These measurements need to be extremely accurate because they directly feed into simulation models that support an efficient and reliable development loop for our customers. In the past, this was often challenging. When a battery housing is deformed, it can be very difficult to capture the exact dimensions of these displacements, especially if the geometry becomes complex. Since our main customers come from automotive industry, there's a strong expectation that we deliver highly accurate and fast results. We knew traditionalist 3D scanners existed, but the stationary setups with large camera and rigs weren't really suitable for our workflow.
Today, we will be using the FreeScan Omni 3D scanner to optimize the quality control and part inspection process by creating a dedicated inspection template for the component. The scanning and comparison process can be performed directly on the device. Once the part is scanned, the inspection results and deviation analysis can be viewed immediately on the scanner's integrated display. Afterwards, we can share the inspection report via cloud, Wi-Fi or USB. For larger scale objects, the photogrammetry mode can be utilized in combination with calibrated scale bars to ensure maximum volumetric accuracy and dimensional reliability. The FreeScan Omni also features an advanced infrared mode which enables markerless scanning and significantly reduces the setup time while maintaining high data capture performance.
These handheld devices from Shining 3D have significantly improved our process. We can now get the highly informative results in a very short amount of time. Compared to conventional measurement methods, we are not only able to capture dimensions retrospectively, but also with much greater accuracy. Another major advantage is that the scan-generated models can directly be compared to CAD files, allowing our customer to quickly evaluate how the test affected the physical components and integrate these insights efficiently into the development cycles. We can also see new opportunities emerging. The Wrangler example demonstrates perfectly how handheld scanning can accelerate the development of new devices. Ultimately, we've chosen Shining 3D because of the impressive pace of innovation and the significant improvements they continue to bring to their products. The FreeScan Omni, for example, is the first handheld scanner we've seen that can be fully operated without a PC, while still delivering performance comparable to a workstation connected device. For a relatively small company like ours, being agile and flexible is essential. We simply cannot afford to dedicate an entire room solely to scanning. FreeScan Omni fits perfectly into our workflow. And beyond the technology, the Shining team has been extremely helpful and accommodating. Overall, we are very happy with the complete package.